Is your dog coughing more than usual? It could be kennel cough, a common but highly contagious respiratory infection in dogs. Let's look at how we can prevent and manage kennel cough. Kennel cough, or canine infectious tracheobronchitis, is caused by various bacteria and viruses, including Bordetella bronchiseptica and canine parainfluenza. It inflames the respiratory tract, leading to a persistent dry cough. While generally not severe, it's riskier for puppies and older dogs. Symptoms include a hacking cough, gagging, and sometimes a runny nose or eye discharge. Dogs catch it from airborne particles or surfaces like toys. The incubation period is between 2 and 14 days, and dogs can be carriers without showing symptoms. To help your dog, ensure they rest, stay hydrated, and avoid irritants. If symptoms persist or worsen, consult your vet. They might prescribe medications for severe cases. An annual vaccine is recommended, especially for dogs in kennels or daycare, usually given through the nose. The vaccine provides up to 12 months of protection, but it isn't 100% foolproof. If your dog is infected, keep them isolated from other dogs to prevent spread. For more detailed information, consult your vet or visit our Kennel Cough Advice page. Hit like and subscribe for more vet-approved advice.